If you are scared to post content on social media, I would like to help you to overcome this fear. When you're a beginner, it is completely normal to have this fear. But when you start working on it, it will slowly disappear over time. I started my content creation journey on YouTube in 2019, and since then I'm creating content online. There are certain topics or certain fields that can attract some level of negativity, that's true, but usually most of the time people don't care. Try to think like this. There are millions of content being posted every single day on YouTube, TikTok and Instagram. So the attention of people is never on you. It is very, very divided. Besides that, when you're first starting, you don't really get that many views anyways. And the low view count is actually a more discouraging thing than getting negative comments. And that's one of the reasons why people quit short after they start creating content on social media. Should you show your face or not? Some people are camera shy, that's completely normal. And if showing your face makes you uncomfortable, then you don't have to do that. You can start a faceless account. Or if you want to be on YouTube, you can start an automation channel. And that will be an easier step to come in front of the camera later if you prefer. At the beginning, when I started my channel, I was also not showing my face. Since I am a software developer, I was able to produce content of screen recordings. But over time, I give it a try to be on camera to see how it goes. And so far, one of the most important things I learned that is being on camera actually helps you to create a stronger connection between you and the viewer, because people want the human connection. And if you are in front of the camera, that helps you to build this human connection much easier. You might also fear that people you actually know will find out that you have a YouTube channel or you are on social media in general posting content and not getting that many views. They will make fun of you or they talk behind you. First of all, if they do that, if they make fun of you or if they talk behind you, they are not true friends. Because real friends, they are always supportive. Even if they find out later that you are on social media, that you have a YouTube channel or something, you will quickly realize that everyone has their own busy life and no one really cares that much about what you are posting on your YouTube channel or on social media. So in short, strangers don't care about you anyways, and that's completely normal. They only care about what you are giving them with your content. And the people you know from your personal life, you don't have to care what they think about your work online. You are here for a reason. You want to grow your channel, you want to make money online, maybe you have to do that. And hopefully if you become successful, you will be the winner at the end of the day. So these are my thoughts as a content creator on this topic. I hope you find this helpful. And if you are a beginner content creator, don't forget to follow me.